Okay, so in this session, we have to understand this topic, director circle. Okay, so if you remember, who is director circle? Director circle is locus of points, means collection of points of intersection of tangents. Okay, intersection of tangents which meet at right angle. Okay, means intersection of tangent, at the point of intersection of tangents it should make 90 degree. Okay, so the point from where you can draw perpendicular tangents to the ellipse, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle, these things are called as director circle. Now suppose that this is ellipse, and for diagram I'll drop one tangent, I'll drop one more tangent, and I'll assume these two tangents will intersect at 90 degree. Okay, as you all know that equation of tangent look like y equals mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. Correct? Now look at this. You know that this is point outside. From outside point you will draw two tangents. Correct? Now what I want to do is, like, we are not comfortable with this root, so I'll ask mx to come this side. Y minus mx equals plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. Now what I'll do, I'll go with squaring both sides. So we will have a square plus b square minus 2ab equals a square m square b square. Correct? Now what I want you to do is just try to write quadratic in m. Okay, so write quadratic in m. So look at this. So we will have x square and then minus of a square is x square minus 2m, sorry, 2xy m plus y square minus b square. Why I did this? Because we are trying to find locus of h comma k. Okay, so this point will be satisfied by r tangent, and later we have replaced h comma k with x and y. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. So we guys have created quadratic in m. So look at this, m square m. Okay, so till this part I hope you guys are comfortable. Now look at this. So the thing is, if you'll observe this quadratic equation, you know that you will have two values of m, m1, m2. Okay, and if two tangents are perpendicular, we guys are interested in product of roots, m1, m2. Okay, so product of zeros according to this equation will be y square minus b square by x square minus a square. Correct? Now but we guys are interested in finding those tangents which are perpendicular, so according to us it would be minus of 1. So y square minus b square x square minus a square. Now do cross multiplication. So minus x square plus a square equals to y square minus b square. Now you can update this equation by writing x square plus y square equals to a square plus b square. So this is your equation of director circle. Okay, so this is equation of director circle in the case of ellipse. In case of parabola, we have directrix as the director circle, correct? In case of circle, we have concentric circle, correct, whose center is same. And in case of hyperbola, just you have to replace this b square by minus of b square, means just change will be this plus. Plus will be changed into minus. I hope you guys are comfortable with director circle.